The Khathansa production is going to get all the program that I have to like an act of play private and happen they have a hero on job on entertaining care. They continue getting out of some symbology. Sini tinggi di panggung sengawa ekonomi act of play for a Kalai tahu Sunil tu ya perkhidmat ni pedi, kaisa ane hai, tene o cati kethar basengai.
Khathansa event channel ni thang tani norok ano logeri ban bagi balai ke puila na hamai mario, tei chinoro 5 months of peka Honorable EMTTADC Sri Suhel Debbarma bono bang balai ke hamai rio, tei chinoro shop peka Dr. Sunil Kalai. Journalism and Mass Communication, Tripura University. Tei chidoro paisok paika Suresh Kumar Chakma, aka Chakma Babu, Medical Tourism Consultant and Influencer, Chennai. Tei chidoro 5 months paika Mr. Debbarma, HUD, Kokborok Department, Holy Cross College. Tei chidoro paisok paika Sri Rituraj Krishna, Circle Head, Punjab National Bank, Circle Office, Agartala. Borono belai belai ke hambai mario. Kedua kok syaglat, norok tini ano logeri payment bagi belai ke hambai. Tam nihinba o event norok nugu no tongkana, uklogo sejak tamu Khathansa Beats, a charity event. Cikon sa funding klien ni thangai tongo o resamung samung ni bising bikai tamni hinba jeng bekha tongphano yak chugya ni bagi jeng tamung jeng mujung phano chubai man nge angwan shuka o musical program ni bising tei chini je chugya borok no jeng kisa sok chubai de man no ani je man sak chubai de man no tamni hinkan ke since from 2005 Khathansa from the June 24. Upon Hotelo or initiative no night Himanian, the every program, Khathansa annual program on Kanganke, Jesapon audience name simply fun collect Hainai, ever Chantau Chini Chair, Tamone volunteers or no Tangi donation, Nane, nor of the second mansag, not only Bukhabai nor of the money, Avona Chantamuklai, Chung, Chugia Boromnitani, Yapare. Inge abra tini bo o legi sinaragi naam se kedema sal romai jeklai phaimani abo tini khlaina thangi dongotesha but angki sa kasaro gabun ka tamni hinba covid ni bagai jeng kasaro gap ni thanga jotone life kisa start ni thanga time o hungia angbo start no ni thanga ajarao so tini dese chengpi kabana rogana omse ke logerina phaika belai ke hambai teani je guest jor finai chief guest they special guest jodona tongo borok no bang belai ki hamai maru tamni hinba asik jora kicha ni bishinga ang borok no je prosaka borok jodona yes singa so belai ki hambai so thank you tabu khungang ke dorok baskangi je line up ro nubi mannai te chini borom ganang je ora achok tonai dignitaries tongi no borom thani bo kok nabi manai hambai belai ke
tai o jaga rozabnai mosanai tai naifainai sini naithok sikla sikli sanja kaham good evening to you all. Will you not say back good evening sanja kaham? Well ani sai sekang je kok sanai ro before me. The speakers were really good and they have covered certain points, but I want to tell you some points which is very close to my heart. Ang kok thaisa thainai sarani musu जे आंनि बोखाबाय नांजाक गोदालजाक आखक way back when I was in Chennai ang Chennai je pori tongfru ang visual communication no nai pori. So my research area from that time onwards was on indigenous way of representation of culture through media. As we are honestly speaking, Sharmili by campus niyaku, and I don't know much about her, but Chennai tongoi je kok borokni music videos resamung mesamung no Hyderabad University University of Madras some of the best production amo Sharmili ni yak bahis namjak bohai borno जों या बाखरनो नाम बेलाय खाय तिनी youngsters rok je somoyo mobile baika scroll khai engage jimi tongo time waste khai tongo lama himi basa drugs nai tongo Khathansa production the only production one sogo zatini bagai that it is important to do a charity show. Another round of applause for her. Few days back, Jesomoyo Sharmili ana Kolkai Saka, brother, I'm calling you for a small collaboration. I said, what is it all about? You must attend the program. Ansaka, I know there is one NGO which is run by the young people like Neha, Tegli, Devika and all the youngsters. Let me speak to them. Borok Sao, sir, if it is Khathansa production, Bobai Ganka, why we only become part in 1 year, just for a year? Protect Bosoro je Zagawo Khathansa production tongnai Borok Sharmili by lifetime collaboration khaina hini borok commitment relayo. Let's give also a big round of applause. Why is education important? Education will teach you how to be successful. But my young friends, culture will guide you why you should be successful. Big difference. Tamni bagi chung successful umnanan, bahai ke chung successful umnanan omong ka culture. Culture omong sudu sini dress, recapmu, mesamu, camu omong sinia. Culture is our identity. Culture sini sinimu. Zebupang. Culture is also our root. Zebupang. Yarang kerui. Bini yarang no pognai. Sakawo urichanai. The society which forgets its culture is like a tree which lost its roots. Therefore, young boys and girls, ani final talk jeng jotoni bagai, let's embrace our culture in times of modernization and confusion, because jeng culture no tui kangka se, sini identity no whole kai kangka se, sini yaran no cuna kangka se, sini direction right away focus nai. So God bless you all. Resab lai di, masal lai di, tong lai di. Take Tripura in the highest level. Bubaka samahai. Sini sikla rokse, sini buskan. Hambai.